So we start at Google homepage. In the top right corner, I can see that I'm signed in, and I'm going to check my Gmail. I can click Gmail here, or I can go to the squares and go to Gmail here. Your choice. This is my inbox. Your inbox might look different. If you have 3 tabs on your inbox and you would like to have only one, like I do, go to Configure Inbox under the Settings, Configure Inbox. Right now, you can have up to 5 different categories of emails. One, two, three, four, 5. Google will decide what emails go where. I do not like this many categories in my inbox, so I would prefer to have one inbox. So I go to the settings, configure inbox, and I uncheck all the other inboxes. Save. Now I only have one inbox. That's how you configure your Gmail inbox from 3 categories to 1.